Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Don't worry, be happy, be like. 1. Your coffee found you. A great day starts with a favorite drink. 2. The weekend is getting closer. Every day is one step nearer. 3. You learned something new today. A small progress is still progress. 4. Your pet thinks you're amazing. Instant confidence boost. 5. Even pizza has rough edges, imperfections, makes life interesting. 6. Tomorrow is a fresh start. New chances are always welcome. 7. Laughter burns zero batteries. Smile anytime, anywhere. 8. Your favorite song still exists. Music can brighten any mood. 9. You survived Monday. That's already an achievement. 10. Snacks are cheering for you. Everything feels better after a tasty bite. 11. Even turtles reach the finish line. Slow and steady works. 12. Mistakes are free lessons. Every mistake teaches us something. 13. Be happy. Sunsets happen every day. Nature always put on a show. 14. You've handled tough days before. You've got experience. 15. There's always room for one more smile. Happiness multiplies when shared. 16. Your plans believe in you. Keep growing together. 17. Every level starts at level 1. Everyone begins somewhere. 18. Even rainy days help flowers bloom. Challenges can bring growth. 19. Ice cream exists. Need we say more? 20. Your next laugh could be seconds away. Funny moments appear unexpectedly. 21. A deep breath can reset your mood. A quick pause helps. 22. Kindness never goes out of style. It makes everyone's day brighter. 23. There's another chance around the corner. Keep looking forward. 24. Even superheroes need a break. Rest is part of success. 25. Good memories are worth revisiting. They remind us of brighter times. 26. Every sunrise brings new possibilities. Today is full of potential. 27. Comrades make ordinary moments special. Good company is a gift. 28. Sometimes the best stories starts with oops, happy accidents happen. 29. Your smile might brighten someone else's day. Positivity is contagious. 30. Life is better when you enjoy the journey. Celebrate the little moments along the way. Smile often, laugh freely, and remember, every day is a new chance to make a terrific memory. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias!